Hello, my name is Morgan Bernstein,
My name is Benjamin Gold.
and we're both students at Duke University. Our Data Plus project focuses on small town policing accountability, and we spent most of the summer analyzing police data.
So our project was done in coordination with the QSIDE Institute, and our project leads were Jude Higdon, who works for QSIDE, as well as Greg Hirschlag, who works for Duke. And then our project managers, Devin Cornell, and Clarissa Ache was one of our teammates, so she can't be here at the moment.
So, like I said, we spent most of the summer gathering and analyzing police data. Right now, I'm showing you the Durham Police Department website, which is where we got the data from. As you can see, you can search for incidents and arrests by information or by case number. So we ended up automating a web browser to go through and download all of the PDFs of arrest reports from 2018 to 2022, and that is what we used for our data.
So this project was done in the context of the racial justice conversations and movements that have been going on in the United States and really the world at large for the past 2 or 3 years, most notably since the killing of George Floyd in late May 2020. Part of the reason why this is so important is because we're trying to figure out if police we're trying to come up with processes that will determine if police anywhere are treating people the same based off important biographical information like race, gender, ethnicity, income status. And so we were looking at this data to try to see if Durham police treat people differently. And one of the major roadblocks we came up with was that police departments just don't publish that much information. So the first step in our project, and the part that Morgan was just talking about, was gathering all the information that Durham publishes into a way that we could run statistical processes such as making maps or running regressions on the data to come up with results and conclusions.
All right, and so now on your screen, you are going to see a map that shows the percentage of arrests that occur for Black identified people over the years 2018 to 2022 within the Durham police beats. And we compared this to the population that was identified as any part Black of the Durham police beats to compare and contrast the percentage of arrests that are occurring for one race versus the percentage of the population that is that race.
So overall, this is an example of the kind of analysis we ran once we got the data. And these analyses were focused on how the percentage of people arrested differed or was the same to demographic percentages within Durham. Overall, we think that we've made enough, our investigation has led to some correlative relationship between the race, how likely somebody is to be identified, and their race, but we don't have nearly enough information to prove causality. So looking into the future, we would aim at continuing this research to see that. But generally, this project has been very informative and very interesting to learn about how race factors into policing, and we've been happy to work on it this summer.
Thank you for listening.